Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the simple cuboidal epithelium. Simple cuboidal epithelium. First description, okay? In a cuboidal epithelium, the height of the cells is about the same as their width. The nuclei are usually rounded. See once again, in cuboidal epithelium, the height and width of the cells are equal, and the nuclei of this cuboidal epithelium are usually rounded. Okay. Next, in sectional view, cells appear cuboidal in shape. In sectional view, the cells appear cuboidal in shape. When viewed from the surface, the cells are hexagonal in shape. Okay. Coming to the figure, see this figure. This figure represents the cuboidal epithelium. This is the cuboidal epithelium. Okay guys. And here the cells are cuboidal shaped. See here, all are in square shapes. Okay. And the nuclei of the cuboidal epithelium is round. See here, usually rounded nuclei present in the cuboidal epithelium. See here, this epithelium is made up of the cells that look like squares. The cells look like squares in which length and breadth is equal and nuclei are rounded. Okay. Next, see this diagram. This represents the simple cuboidal epithelium, and the cells appear in sectional view. These cells appear in cuboidal shape. See here, all are cuboidal shape. When you see the cells from surface, these are hexagonal. See here, from surface it is appears like hexagonal. In sectional view it is cuboidal in shape. Next, location of simple cuboidal epithelium. A typical cuboidal epithelium may be seen in follicles of the thyroid gland, in the ducts of many glands, and on the surface of the ovary. Other sites are the choroid fluxus, the inner surface of the lens, and the pigment layer of the retina. A cuboidal epithelium with a prominent brush border is seen in the proximal convoluted tubule of the kidneys. See once again the location of simple cuboidal epithelium. A typical cuboidal epithelium may be seen in the follicles of the thyroid gland, and in the ducts of the many glands, and on the surface of the ovary. Other sites are the choroid plexus, the inner surface of the lens, and the pigment cell layer of the retina. A cuboidal epithelium with a prominent brush border is seen in the proximal convoluted tubules of the kidneys. See the above the figures. Both are the and this one both are the simple cuboidal epithelium. This is the simple cuboidal epithelium in thyroid follicle. Okay. And the thyroid follicle, this represents the thyroid follicle lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. This is the simple cuboidal epithelium present in the duct of salivary gland. Okay, that means this is in thyroid follicle. This is in this simple cuboidal epithelium present in duct of salivary gland. Okay guys, next function of simple cuboidal epithelium. And the main function of the simple cuboidal epithelium is, it is mainly concerned with the secretory and absorptive functions. Simple cuboidal epithelium mainly concerned with secretory and absorptive functions. Okay guys, this is about the simple cuboidal epithelium. diagram is most important and the examples where it present are most important. Okay, these are square shapes, looks like squares in sectional view. Okay, in surface it look like hexagonal in shape, and it mainly present in the examples are thyroid follicle and the duct of salivary gland, and the functions and the main function of simple cuboidal epithelium is secretory and absorptive functions. Okay, this is about the simple cuboidal epithelium. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.